Welcome to this video, where I will show you how to manage privacy settings in the Band app by changing who can view members' contact information. Many group admins want to control visibility for better privacy and organization. So today, we will go through the exact process in detail. First, open the Band app on your phone. Make sure you are inside the group where you want to check statistics. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the Settings icon. This is where you will find all the management tools for your group. Then, from the menu that appears, select Band Settings. After that, scroll through the list and select the option labeled Who can view members' contact info. Now, tap on Display Member Contact Info. At this point, you will see 4 different choices: Admin, Admin, and Co-admin, anyone, and Do Not Display. Each option determines who inside the group can see contact details. Finally, once you decide which level of visibility works best for your group, tap on OK to save your selection. This method gives admins more control, keeps members secure, and ensures group communication remains effective.